Is your phone your new stock market battlefield? Ever scrolled through social media and stumbled upon that one friend bragging about their latest stock market win? Maybe you've seen sleek ads promising anyone can be an investor. It can be tempting. But where do you even begin? These days, everyone seems to have a trading app. If you're looking to jump into the investing world, you might be wondering, are these apps free? Today, we're diving deep into one popular option, Questrade. Specifically, is the Questrade app free? Let's find out. Free app, but investing isn't free money. Here's the good news. Yes, the Questrade app itself is absolutely free to download and use. You can browse the markets, research stocks, and even create a practice account to test the waters without spending a dime. This is a fantastic feature, especially for beginners who want to get comfortable with the platform before risking real money. But hold on a second, because investing itself isn't free. There are a few key things to consider. Commissions. Every time you buy or sell a stock, you'll typically pay a commission fee. Questrade offers commission-free trading for certain stocks and ETFs, exchange-traded funds. However, there are fees for options trading and other activities. It's important to understand their fee structure before you start placing trades. Margin interest. If you borrow money to invest, using margin, you'll be charged interest on that loan. This can significantly impact your returns, so be mindful if you plan on using margin features. Market data. While basic market data is usually free, some platforms charge extra for more advanced features like real-time quotes or in-depth charting tools. Questrade offers some free data feeds, but again, double-check their pricing if you need more bells and whistles. Free app, but features can vary. So, the app is free, but functionality can vary. Questrade actually offers two mobile apps, Questrade Mobile and Questrade Edge Mobile. Questrade Mobile, this is the basic app, perfect for on-the-go investing. You can easily check your account balance, research investments, and make simple trades. Think of it as your pocket-sized stock market companion. Questrade Edge Mobile, this app offers a more advanced experience, geared towards active traders. It provides features like advanced charting tools, level 2 market data, and options trading capabilities. Choosing the right app for you. So, which Questrade app is right for you? If you're a beginner or a casual investor, Questrade Mobile is likely a great starting point. The free app lets you get comfortable with the platform without any financial risk. However, if you're a more seasoned investor who craves in-depth analysis and advanced tools, then Questrade Edge Mobile might be a better fit. Just remember, this app may have additional fees associated with the more advanced features. Beyond the app, consider these factors. While the app is a big part of the online investing experience, there's more to consider than just whether it's free. Here are a few additional factors to keep in mind. Account minimums. Some brokerages require a minimum deposit to open an account. Check Questrade's minimums to see if it fits your budget. Customer service. Having a reliable and responsive customer service team is crucial. Research Questrade's customer service options to ensure they can answer your questions when you need them. Research resources. A good broker will provide educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. Does Questrade offer tutorials, articles, or webinars to help you learn more about investing? The takeaway, free app, but responsible investing. So, there you have it. The Questrade app itself is free to download and use. However, keep in mind that investing itself involves commissions, fees, and potential risks. Do your research, understand the costs involved, and choose the app that best suits your investment style and goals. Remember, a free app doesn't guarantee free money. Invest wisely and happy trading. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.